What comes to mind when you hear the words improving with age? Maybe a fine wine or cheese, maybe a classic novel or a classic movie or car. What about people? Do people improve with age? Certainly as we grow older, we should grow wiser, emotionally or mentally. But physically, what tends to happen is the opposite. It doesn't have to be that way. Things that were simple when you were younger, in your 20s, maybe even 30s, such as sitting on the floor with your kids comfortably and then standing back up easily, doesn't have to be an issue. Okay, so what we're going to do in this program, we're going to help you restore a good amount of balance, good amount of overall suppleness in your movement, good confidence in your overall body movement, your breathing, and even just linking your mind and body together. So if you are interested in Restorative Energetic Movement program, check us out. You can try our program for free. We have 3 lessons online for you. They're ready to go. So if you're interested, if you think this will benefit you, and I believe it will, give us a try.